Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue, and first thing we need to do is to turn off our watch. To turn it off, press and hold the light button. Once the menu opens on the screen, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the power off option and then press the start/stop button to confirm, and then select yes and press the start/stop to confirm again. Wait until the watch turns off, and after it turns off, press and hold the light button and the back/lap button together. Keep holding them. And once the watch turns on, you can release the light button, but keep holding the back button and keep holding it until you see the menu on the screen. Once you see this menu on the screen, you can select yes by using the down button and then press the start button to confirm and reset the settings. Basically what this option does, it resets the settings to the factory defaults. I'm not sure, but I think it will leave the personal data untouched. So if you want to completely reset the watch and remove the data, you need to do it through settings. Anyway, let's select yes, press the start/stop to confirm, and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the ready screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.